everybody, this is Terry, and this is video 10 in our Mermaid series. Now, this is going to be the flip through. Yay! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and or two, and and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And if you have subscribed, well, then thank you very much and welcome back. Now, with this mermaid book, or folio actually, I used two different distress colors. I used Wilted Violet and Seedless Preserves. Seedless Preserves is the lighter color that's around here and around the pages, and then the ephemera has been done with Wilted Violet, and I'm really glad I found that Wilted Violet. I really like it. So here we have the cover, and it says beautiful creatures, and this around the word here is paper. It's not lace, it's paper, and I took the ink and I colored it so that it was purple, and then some of them are white. I got purple and white. So on the first page we have this beautiful image. There are tons of beautiful images. This is a Victoria Designs kit, and I just loved it. I love the colors and everything, and so that's why I decided to use it. So there's an octopus and a beautiful mermaid, and then you open this out, and there's a giant card for the beautiful mermaid. And she's looking through the window. And then on this side here is a clear acetate belly band, and there's two envelopes inside, just like little seed envelopes. And then you close that back up, and then you go to this side, and there's a card. And some of this I may not even remember because it gets a little, and then you open it up. Now I've got magnets in here. In a couple places there's Velcro dots because it was either too thick, or in one case I forgot to put the magnets in. But this is held by a magnet, and you open it up, and there's another card, and on this side is a pocket with a tall card. And I did that because this side is the other side of the card, which is just gorgeous. But I just, I thought that was a bit much. So I stenciled the back and put it there. Put her there. So then you close this back up and you open it again. Now this side is a double flip up, and so the first one goes up, we slide it down, and up here is the fish. Now this fish is one of my favorite images in the whole thing. I just love him. And you have a large writing area. Then down here is a stuffed pocket. This card right here is the center of one of the circles from what I cut out in the beginning. And this card here is just a ephemera mermaid. And there's actually a card back here as well. And then there's a couple more cards in there. Then you flip it up again. That's why there's this image here. I put this, excuse me, I just had my COVID shot and everything today, and now I'm a little sniffly. This has a double flip up, and I did this in the areas, instead of having you look at the manila folder, I used this to cover any kind of gussets or seams or anything. So back to this, we open it up, and there's the cards, and then you open it again, and there's this beautiful image with a little collage, and then we have the word beauty and every single word in here has that little paper lace around it. And this card comes out. This is a tuck, and you have this writing area. On the back of the card is a stencil. Now this octopus was bigger, and then I had to shorten the card, so kind of cut his little legs off. But most of the large cards have stencils on the back. And if they don't, I'm going to go back and stencil them. So then you get to this side, and this card slides out. And then you open this, and you have this large writing area with the 3 mermaids. Let me see if I can get this picked up. And then you flip it again, and there's a large card here that I stenciled on the back. Let me show it to you from this side. And it opens up with this, or you pull it out and you have this image. And you put that back in. It's a little squirrely sometimes. It slides right in, but it just slides right in crooked. So then you've turned the page over here, and you have this image here. I was going to go back and put liquid pearls on all of these pearls, but then I realized how many there were a page, but I still may do it. And then this opens. There was a magnet here, or there is a magnet here, and here's a hidden pocket. That was fun to line up. And then back here is a giant card as well. On this side, these two come out. And then this opens. There's another of the center gussets. On this side you have writing, the word water. This flips open, and there's a pocket here with a jellyfish, and there's a pocket here with 2 cards. And then back here on the last page, there's a double flip out. Where's the one? There's a card here. You flip this out. Oh, it's this page. And there's a card here. And then you flip this out. And there's this image here, and this is all one picture that I just cut in half. And then on this side is a horizontal acetate belly band. And these cards come out. One goes in, and then one goes in this way. On this side, oopsie, are 3 manila folders, and I'm going to show them to you. This is a vertical belly band. And this picture is very pretty. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. And the third one. And the way I have them in here is I have them in to where they're inside each other. You know what I mean? It's all inside. And then I slide them up like so. Let me feel like I'm gonna sneeze. And like so. And then I slide them under the belly band. And then on the back is another image of the octopus and the word ocean and a circle with these both have the paper lace behind them. So that's it for mermaids, and I really had fun with this project. It took us 9 videos to make this, and yeah, it's a beautiful kit, and I'm pretty sure they still have it because I didn't get the kit that long ago, and I realized that it's normally Christmas time, but this is my non-Christmas project. unless it gets bumped. And then happy winter. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.